Okay, this is D-Dog Films, and today we're gonna have a fight with two Twinkies. Yes, Twinkies. Now let's do this. Open up these Twinkies. Now let fire. Okay, hold on. Tomorrow is April Fool's, and I think I'll be releasing another video tomorrow if we can get my video camera to work. An April Fool's joke gone bad. Okay. The Twinkie that dies first is not the. Wait a second. Okay. Maggie, get down. The Twinkie that dies will not be eaten by me, but the Twinkie that survives will be eaten. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow. They both died. I mean, did he get to eat both of them? Hold on. One thing. Da 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 da. Devin's getting a straw. Da 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 da. No fun. Okay. Now, going to drink. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Now, drinking from Twinkie. It's stuck. I got the Twinkie cream back out. Oh, kind of enough. Just move that. Take two. Well, yeah. Okay, visit SkaterDude715, Orange Turtle Films, Burrito Sloth Films, and my channel. Bye.